this chainsaw I have here is the RYOBI 10-inch, which is 254 millimeters for anybody that wants to know. And this is the 1+ HP brushless motor that's in this, and it's the 18-volt 10-inch blade. And this can run off of the 2-amp-hour 18-volt and the 4-amp-hour 18-volt. So it runs off either one of them. I just haven't charged that one, and this one's fully charged right here, so we'll put that one in. And up here is where it's got into like an automatic like oiler system to it. And the oil that I run in this is the Pro Select Premium Bar and Chain Oil, and it's to be used with all chainsaws. I do still have some down in there, so I have already filled this up, and it has a little purge valve on it. So what you want to do with this little purge valve, you want to kind of hit it from time to time to get this thing going. And then once you kind of purge it like that, pull this, so there's a safety mechanism, pull that back, pull the trigger, and you see the blade right there going. You know, that's more of a hand guard right there. To tighten this up, you want to loosen that bolt, and then you're just going to get a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Now, you probably have a tool with this. I don't have the tool anymore. I've lost it somewhere. But you're going to get a flathead screwdriver. That tightens it up, and that loosens it up. I think the chain's pretty good where it's at on this one. Let me go ahead and kind of show y'all. And overall, I can hold this. It weighs almost nothing. I think it's around about maybe, I don't know, 8-9 pounds with the batteries in there. And look how I can hold it straight arm and kind of like hold it straight out like this. One of the things, everybody, I just cut down a big tree. I can tell y'all, I've been so impressed with this saw. I just cut this tree down right here. I dropped that entire tree, and you can see this tree all right here. And let me go ahead and cut this down. Anything a little 10-inch saw would do that much. Comes with a little like a blade cover, so you put that little cover on there when you're not using it. But we'll go ahead and take it off, and yeah, let's get to town cutting this tree up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and purge this up some. We got oil on the blade. I have been very impressed with how well this cuts. This thing has been about everything that I need in a chainsaw. It cuts both bottom and top like that. It doesn't have much of a kickback because the blade's so short, and you don't really need a brake because of the fact it's so short. So it's more like a hand guard here, and that seems to work just perfect. So yeah, there it is, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and finish out kind of like branching the rest of this, cut it up, get it on the curb, and then burn what I don't need. But I have been absolutely impressed with this little RYOBI 10-inch blade. I was thinking of getting a 16-inch like saw that costs, you know, double the cost of this, and I found this at a very affordable cost, so I went ahead and picked one up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the RYOBI 1 HP 10-inch blade. See y'all in the next video. Nice.